Hi, it's Dr. Elisha Van Dusen at New Hope Chiropractic, and today's part 3 of how to prevent back pain while traveling. So, it's a common problem associated with traveling, and you should have some, if you do take prescription drugs, medications, you should definitely have some foresight with that. If you're going to be traveling, get a prescription. If you know your prescription will run out prior to your return from traveling, either get it refilled before you leave or get a prescription from your primary care doctor to bring with you. If traveling to a foreign country, you may, many medications will have different names, so make sure it's the same medicine when you're filling the prescription away from home and you're not getting a prescription for something that's totally inappropriate. Keep your medication with you. Do not place it in your checked bags in case your luggage is lost. It can take days or even longer, sometimes before your bags finally reach you, if they ever do. Bring an OTC backup. If there's a similar over-the-counter medication, bring that with you. Check with your prescribing physician, of course, and ask about anti-inflammatory and or muscle-relaxing herbs and or vitamins. We can help you with that, some natural remedies. Keep a list of vitamins, herbs, and medications with you at all times that you can have with you to help you. Keep your medication in their original containers, too. This can actually eliminate the need to explain to security what each pill is for and may help you avoid them from being confiscated. Some pain relief tactics that are easy, fast, and cheap to do while you're on the road are ice. Ice is really nice, but traveling with ice is tricky as it warms up and melts over time. So I recommend traveling with several sized resealable storage bags that a flight attendant can fill with ice for you. Pinch it between your seat and your low back or your upper back, depending on where you have the problem, and rotate it on and off in 15 to 20 minute intervals. And repeat that process for the length of time that the ice lasts, which is typically several applications. Chemical ice packs also work pretty well. Make sure if you bring an ice pack or gel pack with you that it'll be allowed through the security. The flight attendant should allow it to be placed into the refrigerator between uses if they know that you have it, so you can keep it nice and cold. Heat is also pretty neat. The use of heat for chronic low back pain, for example, can be very effective, but use ice if the low back pain is acute or a new problem. If in doubt, try both ice and heat before leaving so you can determine which one works better for you, and you can also alternate between ice and heat, but start and end with the ice if the low back pain is acute. If the low back pain, for example, is chronic, start and end with heat. And I often suggest 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and doing cycles like that for a total of 40 minutes, starting and ending with either ice if it's acute low back pain, or heat if the low back pain is chronic. And there are also disposable heat packs available, but remember, limit each dose to no more than 20 minutes to avoid pooling of blood in the low back area or any other area that that's in pain. Commercial heat wraps like Thermacare can also be used. Make sure the security will allow the passage of any heat and gel pack, that it's the right volume of gel to pass security. Over-the-counter pain patches or gels, they're both prescription and non-prescription pain patch gels available, like Bengay, for example. Similarly, heat or coolant rubs or gels can also provide pain relief and reduce the needs for medication. I really like BioFreeze. That's something I promote in my practice and sell there. That's also very effective and also very portable. TENS unit can also help. These produce a pain-reducing electrical current where there's a small unit that's placed in your pocket or on your belt that connects with wire electrodes to sticky pads placed in the area of pain. These can work very well for some people, so try it before you leave to see if you like the result and if it works for you. And you can obtain those from us or probably even buy them online. And we can also give you a letter to take with you to show to security if they give you a hassle about it. So anyway, I hope these tips help with minimizing your back pain while you travel. And as always, it's a good idea to get checked by your chiropractor before you leave on your trip. And we're always available to do a complimentary consultation to see if chiropractic is right for you. And check us out at newhopechiropractic.com. Have a healthy day.